Hi friends, so I have been using this stationery bag for almost 1 month now, and I want to show you what I have inside my stationery bag. And this is where I stuff all my planners, pens, and I love how much space this bag has. The first thing you'll see is my planner, this planner cover. It contains some like insert here, and oftentimes I do put my A6 supplement planner in this cover. Next, I have my whole Benichi Weeks. It's in the front, so I can quickly grab and use it right away. Next, I have these two cute felted planner clips, and they are clipped on the side of my pocket. And right behind these planner, I have this pouch. It came with this planner bag, and it's a I believe it's a Animal Crossing collaboration bag. And I stuffed some stickers in this pouch. Old planner in here. I usually use it for writing some notes, and have my sticker organization binder. It's right here. I can quickly grab and use it right away. And at the very back, there are two more blank pockets. I haven't put anything in here yet, but I can definitely put more stationery stuff like pens, markers, ruler, whatnot, but I haven't done that yet. But overall, I really love this cover, or this pouch or bag, whatever you want to call it. It's very useful and very practical, and hope you enjoyed this video.